Alright, so today a big Sunday, so we decide for blend up some pumpkin juice. We call it pumpkin punch. Look how it look good. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Watch her big belly one here. Jesus Christ. All she do is love her belly. As she want drink after all, I tell her, belly, yes, love belly, love belly. Anyway, so we go so boom. I fling the pumpkin in some water for go and boil on the stove in the pot. You see me and say, watch her go and bubble like it's a party. She watch her bubble, bubble, pata, bubble. So right, so me I said, Jano, I should cut up the pumpkin yet. I should have the older pumpkin here so I do a transition where the pumpkin then it cut up and then chop up. You understand what I try to say? May I show you some dirty plate here so and something. Right, that's so we have the second batch of pumpkin because the whole of pumpkin could whole. May I try to show Leona a ball. She run up on a ball. May I know what the whole of that for. Anyways, I'm fix up the place and straighten up here. So, but I go put 3 mango in there, but me I said, Jano, I don't want a mango in there and then it. You see me, so I'm fling them one side. I'm go so boom. That are the seed them will come out of the whole of pumpkin. Wipe on the seed still. Nobody want a peas in a pumpkin juice. So I just move the peas them and say, yo, go inside them, man. I'm to you. Betty she there on one part I hide. I know she hide for her sexy self, you know. Yo, Jesus Christ, Supple Rays. Supple Rays, bro. From the Ombre, give speed. I show speed. The Supple Rays. Yo, me hate the Ombre there. Ombre, wanna stop give speed things, bro. No give speed, nothing. Jesus Christ. Anyways, back to the pumpkin juice now. The pumpkin did this go and bubble. Yeah, so them done bubble up, you know. Time for take them out. So I go so 1 by 1, 2 by 2, come up the hill. So I fling them in at the what I think I name? Mixer, blender. So we throw them like blender, boom, boom, boom. I try to get out all like stringy them. Come like a mango, me that cook after. Anyways, I'm a typical water in there and stay so boom. You know, just to catch it up. Just to, you know, catch up your stomach or I don't know what you say. Anyways, we'll cover it up and stay so boom and start blend it. One bag of blending. Look how that look good. Jano. Uvex. So we go so boom now and strain her off. You see me I say the oh me a stammer so the something never heavy, you know, but it did that would have to strain. Alright, but I try make a joke about strain and heavy. So alright, see, yeah, me done. So all myself a shape made to myself. Jesus Christ.
This too thick. It want some water. Me can't manage this too thick. Something like so. Something along the lines that she has say right.
Takai too thick. Something she say right there. Uno go back go read her lip. Come in and know what she say. She say sitting though. Anyway, so we go so boom now. She there start dance up herself because she happy. She her belly start wash pan the pumpkin juice. She take up the Malta, what you call that? Jagan. She take up the Jagan, I give me for open it. She take up Betty, she stay so. I don't know how she take up with Betty and then she start scoop out sugar. Make up your mind, she want to put them in same time. So she put little Betty in the blender with little sugar. Boom, boom, boom. And then look you know. She got throw little Betty in the pan. We you not put the seat in one place. She put it 2 places, like 3 different drinks here make. And the whole light go in a one big buckle. Anyways now, me pull the Jagan now. I'ma say, yo, time hot you know. So me take a sip off of the Jagan. Me sip the Jagan. She a grab it out of me hand. Like she say, oh your belly so long. Look on her belly compared to my belly. Yeah, come talk about say my belly. Look on her belly. Look there. That look good? Move one side here, man. Anyway, she throw in the Supple and stay so boom. Supple. More little Jesus, shame a kill me.
Emotional damage.
Jesus Christ. Watch her move from you so you're not getting more Supple. Yo, the Supple there. She knows that she know for drink the Jagan and she still a tap up sitting with whole heap of Jagan. Watch her. Look how I'm going to cuss her now. Watch out, look how I'm going to cuss her. Where you put so much Jagan in the fire, and you know enough for drink the Jagan. My fling you out of the way now, become egg. Do your thing still. Move on quick. Can you just move like you understand sometime? I can't bother there, you know. Anyway, she lock up her sugar now. Boom, boom, bam. She grab Elasco. And start a dance. Me don't know what she do. She had to bust she want to put it in a blender. Some say put it in a pan no. Warm tea on the blender and the pan. Ray. It don't make no difference. Ray. Anyways now, watch her now. She a wind up herself in her X-Man underpants. What she do in her X-Man? Hold on. What's so much all in a marina? What? Alright, anyways, next. She a mix it out. Mix. She a wipe his side like a cake she a mix. Me don't know if somebody say her pan mix is sitting in your mouth so. Yeah, move so. Come in and want add the next thing. She a show a bag of gel. Oh, hold on. I know gel that, you know. We call that. vanilla. Jesus Christ. Anyways, watch her belly while she mix. Boy, me love me belly, me love my belly. Boy, me love my belly, me love my belly. Hey, boy, me love my belly. Watch her now. See it now. She add more salt tonight. Unne see earlier when she put salt in there already. Or she need, well, me never know. She add more salt in there. Talk about say, me know how my belly run. Me know how my, yes, that's all I think about your belly. So she did there mix out some clump there in there. And me I say, Jano, them thing they now go mix out, you know. She has strain it 2 more time, you know, where I say, yo, me I go look for one pillowcase to strain it out, or you see me? She know what she talk about one time it need for strain. She like it when it thick. So I'm say, alright, since you want it thick like you, fine. See to know where I showing the thing, you know. God damn! Boy, I call that nice, man. Jesus Christ. Me never drink none, because I not to drink pumpkin juice. That's too much mix up for me. My belly would run. So me not drink none. So as she wanna go drink it, she and her long belly. Jesus Christ. Watch it. You look good though. Watch her mix it in her X-Man under. Tell me if she's supposed to do in her X-Man underpants. So she doing her X-Man underpants. We are show some dirty plate here, so watch her. She have to drink already. Thing not done and she have to drink. So alright, so look pan fear buckle. 6 liter ice cold buckle. Yo, let's go. No sponsor we. There's so much things we take from, you know. We have water from, you know, and we take Lasco from, you know, the food, drink, and yeah, what do you thing? You can give a sponsor, you know. And Supergen too. Supergen can give a sponsor too, you know. I'm two man now move someone. Anyways, so me say after the drinks don't make, me I fry up some chicken. So we say so boom, dip it in a egg, dip it in a flour, some more chicken back there over there. So at the leg them alone, I fry up. Brother, I could show you the rice and peas. The rice and peas are usually jasmine rice or basmati rice we use. I go buy one rice at shop. Jesus Christ. I say the rice look plaka, the rice look plaka. I swear things say I don't know how I save the rice. I save the rice though. But it end up turning out good. Boy, watch that. You see how far one day in a square? Am I one day in a circle? She have to need more food than me. So anyways, next week again. Yeah.